classic muscle cars. Woohoo! Please enjoy your next video.
Hi, my name is Leo. I'm the commander here at the DuPage Memorial Veterans of Foreign Wars. We've been here since 1932. We're the second oldest post in DuPage County. Our post was built by World War I veterans when they returned. Our mission is to support local veterans, their families with any needs that they may have, as well as support the community. So stop out, give us a shout sometime, and stop by and say hi. Please enjoy the next videos coming in. Thank you very much. Hi, my name is Leo. This is my 1966 GTO. I'm the second owner of it. I got it, lucky enough to get it from the son of the original owner. I've owned it for 3 years. The son had it in his garage for 14 years after his mother passed, and it lived its life inside a garage basically. So I've done nothing to it. This is the way I've received it. It's got one repaint on it, original interior, original motor, tranny. It's a 389 4-speed. The tires are from a 67. They're not original, but they look nice on there. It's a barrier blue, and it has this is Unrestored.
Right, and that's what you want. Right. And then how many of these do they make, you know?
Roughly about 10,360, I believe.
Okay. Thanks for the party. Have you won car show awards?
I have not. I've taken it out to a couple of car shows and cruise-ins. I live local, and I just bring it out to our cruise-in here at the VFW, and a couple car shows and let people enjoy it. It's not a race car. It's a little bit done to the motor, but it's just more to enjoy what a 66 GTO is.
And you got a great turnout today, you know, out at that end. And how many cars were here today? There's
about 65. We had a nice turnout, a lot of spectators. We all had a fun time.
Cool. Can I open up the door?
Sure, yes.
How did you drive?
Oh, I love it. It's a lot of fun.
Were you looking for this car for a long time?
I was not. I got lucky. I knew the son of the original owner, and we started talking about it. He really wasn't interested in selling it because it was his mother's. And just over the course of about a year or so, just talking to him, and I was lucky enough to be able to purchase it from him.
Are you planning to do anything to it?
No, I might do some engine work just to freshen it up, but I kind of like keeping it what it is.
There you go. There you go. And what are we looking at here?
This is a 389 4-barrel.
Uh-huh.
It's stock. It's bored 30 over, but there's no headers. There's nothing crazy with it.
Sure.
It was bored 30 over when it was freshened up many years ago.
You know what? You got a classic car, classic name, original look, you know, versus,
right.
You know, prepped, primed, and all that stuff.
Right. I kind of appreciate what it is.
Right.
It's not rusted, and it's just a classic 66. I appreciate you watching. Support your local VFW, wherever you may be watching this from. Stop in if you're here in the Wheaton area. Stop in and say hi to us. We'd love to meet you.
All right, thank you for watching US Classic Muscle Cars. Hope to see you next time.